Hi there, students. Brume and Brumous. Notice B-R-U-M-E, not the broom you sweep the floor with. Okay, so Brumous means misty, foggy, and broom is another word for fog or thin mist. Let's see. I think, what's the difference between fog and mist? Fog is thicker than mist. Yeah, it's more impenetrable. Okay, so brumous, foggy or wintry. Notice both possibilities. This word, it sounds very poetic, very literary. So this is a great word to use in a simile or in a metaphor. There was an incredibly brumous atmosphere in the house, and nobody was talking to me. Yeah, they gave me a rather brumous greeting. Okay, so wintry, foggy, cold, not a wholehearted one. I think so. His understanding is loaded with broom. His brumous understanding means that he doesn't have this idea clearly understood. Okay, so broom, fog. Yeah, it's but a very literary word. Okay, it means foggy. There's misty. There's vapor. It's hazy. The brumous decisions made by the government mean that nobody knows what they're doing. Yeah, he needs to stop being so brumous and much more clear. Okay, so notice I'm using it here as a metaphor for something that's foggy, that's not clear, that's not clearly defined. Yeah, you could definitely use it though. It was a brumous wintry day. So brumous and wintry, that's very good. It's a foggy wintry day. He brumously explained the meaning of the word. I hope this explanation is not too brumous. Yeah, it's just not filled with fog and uncertainties. So let's see. Formality. As I said, this is poetic and literary. If you use it in an informal conversation, people are going to look at you and say, what? Let's see, this I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. You use it in some sort of creative writing, something descriptive, something like that. Needs to be something literary, very definitely. Or if you're writing a poem, this is a great word to use as well. And then as to origin, well, there's a French word, brumeux, meaning foggy, misty or hazy. And that itself comes from Latin brumosus, meaning wintry, which itself comes from bruma, which talks about the winter solstice or winter or the winter cold. And that itself comes from brevissima, meaning the shortest. Yeah, and the days in winter are the shortest. Okay, and that's the idea, the shortest days, or the idea of the origin. So brumous, foggy, misty, wintry, full of vapor. And then metaphorically unclear, ill-defined, cold. Yeah, but you need to use it as a metaphor in the right situations. So, enough. I hope my explanation was not too brumous. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Brume and Brumous.